Before we finish today, I would love to share something special with you. If you've been enjoying these face yoga sessions, the calm and the time you're taking for yourself, I created something to help you carry that feeling into your day. I have started a new music channel called Misty Lo-Fi, featuring soft, calming jazz to help you relax, focus, work, study, or simply unwind. The visuals are carefully created to feel natural, warm, and soothing. If it sounds like something you would enjoy, I would truly appreciate it if you check it out and subscribe. The link is in the description below. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next session. Until next time, bye!